I start by plugging in 0 for x, I would get the sine of 0 over 5 times 0, and the sign at 0 is 0. So as it's written, it's currently an indeterminate. So we got to think about something that we can do here. Divide out method doesn't work because nothing divides out at this point. Can't multiply by conjugates because none of these are set up with two terms. Also, there's no square roots, which is often a sign with conjugates. I've got some trig identities I could try. I could substitute some stuff in for sine. That doesn't really work either. So this is going to be one of our special limits, one of the things that we need to just have memorized for this section. Later on, after we learn how to do derivatives, we can look at the same question with L'Hopital's rule, and we can figure it out why it works instead of just memorizing it. But even with our special case, we really need to think of this as 1/5 times the sine of x over x. Because one of the properties of limits says that if you've got a constant out here, feel free to move it out front. Deal with it later. And then this is the special limit. You need to know that all of this is 1. So we've got the 1/5 and the limit as x approaches 0 of sine of x over x is 1. So in the end, for this question, the limit would be going to 1/5 as x approaches 0.